In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Face Down by Red Jumpsuit Apparatus off of their album, Don't You Fake It. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Red Jumpsuit Apparatus was your favorite emo band, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in drop C tuning. So what we're gonna do is tune every string down a full step. So E goes down to D, B goes down to A, okay, everything down a full step, and then we tune the low E string all the way down to C. So that's 2 full steps down. Once we're tuned up, the intro is gonna be just drums, and then the guitar is going to come in with these chords. So what we're going to play here is this. It's basically an A minor, and then an F, C, and this partial G. Okay, so those are the 4 chords. So we have this A minor shape, just like an A minor, but what you're going to do is put your pinky down on the 3rd fret of the 1st string as well. Okay, so that's the 1st chord. Then we go to this F chord. We're going to leave the pinky down on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and then we're in this F shape. So we have 1st fret on the 2nd string, then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and 3rd fret on the 4th string. And then we go to the C shape. So it's just a C, leave the pinky down on the 3rd fret of the 1st. And then we're going to play a G, but we're going to forget about the 6th string. Okay, so don't worry about putting a finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th. We're just going to play 2nd fret of the 5th. And then we still have the pinky down on the 3rd fret of the 1st. So those 4 chords. And then we'll do this pick slide into the verse. So we'll just slide down the string with the pick, and now we're into the verse. The verse is gonna be palm muted power chords. So we're gonna start on the 7th fret here, barring 6th, 5th, and 4th strings. So that's in this case, is a drop C power chord. Palm muting, 8th notes, and down to the 3rd fret. Okay, at this point, what we're going to do is put ring finger and pinky down on the 5th fret of the 2nd and 3rd strings, and we're going to accent those notes. So it sounds like this so far. And then we move to the 3rd fret power chord of the 5th string, and then down to the 5th fret of the 6th. And right here, what we're gonna do is play some harmonics. So how we're gonna do that is just rest your fingers on the 3rd and 4th strings by the 5th fret. Okay, and that requires some touch. So what you're gonna do is just strum and then immediately lift your fingers off of the strings. While the rhythm guitar is playing that, the lead guitar is going to be playing this. So the lead guitar will be playing right along with the rhythm to start the verse. Okay, so everything's the same so far. Then we go here. Right here, the lead guitar will do this. So that's octave swiping, 3rd fret, 5th string, and that includes 5th fret, 3rd. Slide up to 5, and then from 5 back down to 3. So we have this so far. And then we go to the 5th fret power chord with the rhythm guitar. And then play those harmonics. And then we'll repeat that part. So we'll repeat that part in the second half of the verse. Rhythm guitar and lead playing together. Now right here, the lead's gonna play this. Okay, so what that part is we're playing that 3rd fret power chord on the 5th string. Then we go to octave swiping, 3rd fret, slide up to 5, slide up to 7, slide up to 8, slide up to 10, and play 8th notes. So altogether, that lead part in the verse sounds like this. So let's play the whole verse here, lead part. And now we're into the chorus. The rhythm guitar is going to keep playing the same chords, only now they'll let the chords ring open. So we still have the same structure. Sounds like this. So that right hand rhythm, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And the lead guitar is playing this part higher up the neck. So we're going to be up here at the 13th fret of the 2nd string. I'll play this slowly. So let's break that part down. So 13th fret, 2nd string, then to 12 of the 3rd, back to 13th of the 2nd, and then up to 15 of the 1st. And start to repeat. Then from here we go 15 on the 1st, slide up to 17, and then back down to 15. So we have this so far. Okay, and then we're going to repeat that, but instead of playing this 12 on the 3rd string, what we'll do is we'll go down and we'll play 10 on the 3rd string. Everything else is the same there. Then we repeat again. Twice. And then we play this. So that's just a chord of those notes that we were playing. So that's 12th fret, 3rd string, 13th fret, 2nd string, 15th fret, 1st string. And then we lift the middle finger off and bar with the 1st finger. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down. We'll play through that twice, and then coming out of the chorus, we play this. Both guitars go down to the 7th fret, and they play this. So that's down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And now we're into the 2nd verse. The second verse is almost the same as the first. There's just a couple of different nuances. So it's going to start the same way. Now here, in the first verse, we played this. What we're going to do now is just go. Okay, so it's just from 5 octave swiping on the 5th fret, 5th string, and then down to 3. And then continue on. And at this point, we'll play these harmonics. So in the first verse, we just played the 3rd and the 4th string together. Now we'll play 4th individually and 3rd individually. And in the second half of this verse, the rhythm is going to change a little bit. So the right hand rhythm is going to sound like this now. And the lead guitar will be playing this. So the lead guitar breaks off from the rhythm and it starts playing these octaves. So what we're doing there, 2nd fret, 5th string octave, same right hand rhythm as the verse. So I'm just letting my fingers rest on the strings in between notes. Up to 3. Down to 2. Then 2 again. 3. Then we go slide 2, 3, 2. And then back to 3. So we're just doing a lot of alternating between the 2nd and 3rd frets here. Sounds like this slow. Now from here we go 3, 5, 3, and then slide up to 10. Then we play a second chorus exactly the same as the first, and then we're into the bridge section. So in this bridge section, the rhythm breaks down a little bit, and we move to quarter notes. The chord structure is going to be the same as it's been the whole song for the rhythm guitar. So it sounds like this. So the rhythm guitar will repeat that part, and the lead guitar will be playing this. So entering the bridge, the lead part will play this. So it's just basic octave swiping. Starting 8th fret, 5th string, down to 7, 8, down to 7, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. And then we'll continue octave swiping. Only this time we'll move up an octave. So now we're on the 4th string, 10th fret, and that'll include the 13th fret of the 2nd. Then down a fret, okay, so right there we're just alternating between 10 and 9. Then we go 10, 12, 14, 15, 17. So altogether, that lead part in the bridge sounds like this so far. And as we're exiting the bridge, we'll play this part. So both guitars will start playing this together. The lead guitar will be playing with the rhythm there. So the lead will be playing along. Same chord structure as we've been using. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just swiping the strings above the neck, letting them ring out for a second. And now the lead will play this. That's, again, just octave swiping, 3 up to 5, 7, 8, 10. And to end the song, we'll play through an extended chorus. So the chorus is going to be the same for the first half. And while that rhythm's playing that, the lead is still playing this. And in the second half of that extended chorus, the lead guitar will be playing these octave swipes. So it's gone from playing this. Now what we're going to be doing is playing this instead. So we have these octave swipes starting at the 10th fret of the 4th string. Then up to 12. Then up to 14. Then we can jump over to that chord that we've been playing in the chorus. Okay, and then it'll repeat that again. 10th fret octave up to 12, up to 14, and then to this chord. And the very last time through, we'll play these octaves. So the very last time through, we'll do this. So that's basically the same thing we did in the breakdown. So that's 10th fret, octave swiping, 4th string, then down to 9, 10th fret, down to 9, then 10, 12, 14, 15, 17. And then the song will end with both guitars on the 7th fret playing this. Was Jumpsuit the best emo band of the 2000s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.